If you've heard a lot about AI tools like ChatGPT, but haven't really used them yet, this video is for you. Once you understand how to use it, even at a basic level, it becomes incredibly useful in everyday life. And the best part is, it's surprisingly easy to get started. So let's keep this simple. You've probably heard of tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, and they really do very similar things. If you're new, don't worry about picking the best one. Just choose one and start using it. Today, I'm going to be using ChatGPT, and if you don't have a preference, I'd recommend using it too. Let's get started together. Open your web browser, go to chatgpt.com. You'll see a page that asks you to sign up or log in. If you've never used it before, click sign up. You can use your email or continue with Apple or Google. The whole process takes about 30 seconds. Once you're in, you'll see a simple screen with a text box at the bottom. That's it, you're ready to get started. Now let's try your first prompt. Give me a simple, healthy dinner idea I can make tonight with chicken, rice, and broccoli. Then hit enter. You'll see it responds almost immediately. And here's the important part. Don't stop there. Try some follow-up prompts. Can you help make the recipe faster? Can you give me a second option? Can you turn this into a shopping list? Now you're having a conversation. Now I know if you've never seen this before, it might seem like magic or something strange, but at a high level, here's what's going on behind the scenes. These tools are trained on massive amounts of text data and are very good at generating language. When you type something in, it generates a response based on patterns they've learned from the training data. You can think of it like a fancy autocomplete that feels natural to interact with. Let me quickly show you around ChatGPT so you feel comfortable using the tool. On the left side, you'll see your past chats. You can click on any of these to go back to a previous conversation. At the top left, you'll see the new chat button. Use this whenever you want to start fresh on a new topic. In the bottom corner, you'll see your name or profile icon. That's where you can manage your account and settings. And for now, that's all you really need to know to get started. Think of ChatGPT or AI as your replacement for Googling. Next time you're about to search something like restaurants near me or what should I watch on Netflix, try asking ChatGPT first. Here are some possibilities. Recommend a movie I'd like if I enjoy sci-fi and mystery, or plan a simple dinner this week with healthy options. You can be specific, add context, and most importantly, you can follow up. If the first answer isn't quite right, just continue the conversation. Can you make it more family friendly? Try again, but a simpler recipe. That back and forth is where AI becomes so useful. Now a quick note on limitations and important considerations. Sometimes the answers won't be perfect, and sometimes it may get ideas wrong or make assumptions. If something in the response feels off or wrong, ask a follow-up question or double check with another source. One last thing I want to show, especially if you're thinking about privacy. By default, many tools may use your conversations to help improve their models. And if you'd prefer not to do that, you can turn it off. Click on your profile in the bottom left corner, go to Settings, Data Controls, and turn off Improve the Model. Now your data will no longer be used in future training of the models. It takes about 10 seconds and it gives you more control over your data. Ultimately, AI is much more accessible than people think. You don't need technical skills to get started, you just need to be able to ask questions, and it can genuinely make everyday life easier, especially for parents, teachers, or busy households. You can help your kids understand homework, plan meals or trips, brainstorm ideas, draft emails or messages in seconds, or get quick explanations when you're stuck. So here's the only thing I'd suggest after this video. Open up one of these tools and just try it. Ask it to help you with something real in your life today, something simple. That's how this all starts to click. If this was helpful, continue exploring Voyager AI learning solutions on YouTube. I will continue sharing practical uses of AI in daily life there.